Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Is this the ultimate iPhone upgrade? Stick around to find out. Part 1. Design and Display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features thinner bezels and a titanium frame, making it feel premium and lighter. It has a 6.9-inch OLED panel with promotion 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, and the smoothness is top-notch for videos and gaming. The design feels solid, and the screen is beautiful with excellent brightness and color accuracy. Part 2. Performance. Moving on to performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the new A18 Pro chip. It delivers blazing fast performance. Gaming, editing, multitasking, handled effortlessly. The 8-core CPU and 6-core GPU provide an unmatched experience. Insane speed and performance, perfect for professionals and gamers. This chip is not just fast, it's incredibly efficient. Part 3. Cameras. Now let's talk about the cameras, one of the main reasons people upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 48-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and a 5x telephoto zoom lens. In well-lit environments, the photos are fantastic, with sharp details and excellent dynamic range. Night mode is better than ever, and Pro RAW gives you even more control in post-production. The video recording capabilities are also next level, offering 8K video recording with enhanced stabilization, making this phone ideal for content creators. Pros: incredible camera quality, especially in low-light conditions. The zoom capabilities have been enhanced, and the video quality is unmatched. Cons: despite the improvements, the upgrades may feel incremental for iPhone 15 Pro Max users. Also, the large camera bump is still there, which might not appeal to everyone. Part 3. Cameras. Now let's talk about the cameras, one of the main reasons people upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 48-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and a 5x telephoto zoom lens. In well-lit environments, the photos are fantastic, with sharp details and excellent dynamic range. Night mode is better than ever, and Pro RAW gives you even more control in post-production. The video recording capabilities are also next level, offering 8K video recording with enhanced stabilization, making this phone ideal for content creators. Part 4. Battery life and charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers solid all-day performance even with heavy use. Thanks to the A18 Pro chip, you get slightly more screen time compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Fast charging is supported with both wired and wireless options. However, it's not as fast as some Android devices. Part 5. Pricing and final thoughts. Now let's talk about pricing. The iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at a hefty price point, and it goes up quickly if you want more storage. It's one of the most expensive smartphones on the market, but if you're invested in Apple's ecosystem, this is the device for you. Final thoughts. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is an incredible phone with excellent performance and top-of-the-line cameras. But do the incremental improvements justify the upgrade for current iPhone 15 Pro Max users? If you're coming from an older iPhone, it's a no-brainer. But for those with the latest model, consider if the changes are enough for your needs. That's it for today's review. What do you think of the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.